Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
People are good at heart, very beautiful place. There is ample scope for development and water resource. Of course, with respect to resource, I don't know anything. Anyway, water scarcity is always in the mind that creating problem for the people. And MLA, I requested him to immediately contact the concerned minister also. I will also contact. And the honorable MLA stated that there's some youngsters are coming and defacing science. I would like to say, people are only going to beach areas. This is also a part of beach area according to wherever the GI asked me. I would like to say, our villages, spiritual tourism, our way of appreciating and enjoying the nature, that nature-oriented tourism.
आमदार जीत म्हणटा सरकारान 30 MLD आणि 15 MLD वॉटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट क्लियर केला. लोकांक खंय फुडें त्रास जावचे ना.
So we have already discussed with the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa that there is a major issue of water supply. Before that, electricity or power supply was a major issue. That after listening to our grievances, our Honorable Chief Minister has sanctioned almost 100 crores to the power development only for this constituency. Out of 250 crores, 100 crores was for only Mandre constituency. Speaking about the water supply, as discussed with the Chief Minister and the Prudent Minister, they have already sanctioned 2 years back. They have already sanctioned 8,000 square meters land in Panchayat for 30 MLD water treatment plant. But sir, it will take around 4.5 years to complete it. But at the last meeting, what we have discussed, a new water treatment plant of 15 MLD, which we can push up. Within 1.5 years, we can complete the project, and with your guidance and the support of the government, we can make this project successful.
प्रुडंटा खातीर मकबूल मळगीमणी.